One more concept in integration, there are special type of the formulas. Do you remember that 6 formulas we have learned? On the same line something is like this also. There are 3 more remarks which you should know. All these expressions were on that day it was in a denominator. Now whenever you are getting this type of problem, the question answer will be like this: x by 2 into this expression. Whatever the question is there, like this also. The same expression I am writing, look. Same as the question. Okay, x by 2 and same as the question. Now further part is writing something. So here a square, constant is negative, therefore minus a square by 2. Over here positive, it will be a square by 2. This way I am explaining how to write the formula or how to recall the formula. Now if this is there in the denominator, it is sine inverse is there. So it will be sine inverse x upon a. This is log of, it will be log of x plus the question itself. This is also log of x plus question itself. So this is a way to recall the formulas. So note down this properly. So we'll continue further and talk about how to use the formulas. Okay. Now look here. Root under x square minus a square. It is of the type first one. So what should be the answer of that? X by 2 into question. X by 2 into question. X square minus 25. Minus a square by 2. A square here it is 25 by 2. Log of x as it is and question as it is. Okay. X as it is, question as it is. Okay. Now second question is on the line of the second. So it will be x by 2 root under x square plus 36 plus it will be 36 by 2. It will be log of x plus root under x square plus 36. Third is of the type third. A square value is 16 but a value is 4. So it will be x by 2 question I am writing as it is, whatever it is given, plus a square by 2 means 16 by 2. It will be sine inverse. Remember here it will be x by 4. So that is the things which you should keep in mind. This is. Try to recall the previous things what we have done. First step, take root 2 common. Then it will be 4 plus x square. Remember this is the things which we have learned in the previous class. Whenever we have did this 1 upon something like that also. Now question x by 2 question as it is plus which formula is there? 4 plus x square. 4 plus x square means second one plus a square by 2 4 by 2 log of x plus root under 4 plus x square. Root under 4 plus x square. Okay. Now see. What is the step? Correct. What to do? Completing square. So x square plus 5x. Wait. 5. Half of that. 5 by 2. Plus. No. Square of that. 25 by 4. Plus 3 minus 25 by 4. Okay. Now this becomes a complete square. So what you will get? Integration of x plus 5 by 2 the whole square. This is minus 1 by 4. 12, no? Minus 13 by 4 dx. Now which type? This is the type where minus is there, means first type. So something by 2, x by 2. Now here x plus 5 by 2 the whole by 2. Square root of the question. This expression is same as that of this expression. I can write x square plus 5x plus 3. Okay. This simplification is same. Now plus or minus, see in the formula, minus a square by 2. A square by 2. 13 by 8. 13 by 8. Now log of x plus, no, now it is not x plus. It is x plus 5 by 2 plus root under, what you should write? Entire expression x square plus 5x plus 3. So this is the change. So we are going on the same line. Okay. Now here, step number 1. Correct. Take out 4 common, it will comes like this 2. It will be x square minus 2x plus 3. Now completing square method. Remember what we have learned earlier, it will be same, minus 2x plus 1 plus 2. Do you follow? 3 I have split it like that. This is a complete square. 2 as it is. Integration of x minus 1 the whole square plus 2. X square plus a square. Second formula in your list, in your notebook. Check. It will be x by 2. X minus 1 by 2. Question is this expression is same. So here it will be x square minus 2x plus 3 plus no minus a square by 2. 2 by 2 1. Now log of x minus 1 plus root under x square minus 2x plus 3. So this is a way to answer the question. Now if this is the question, then what to do? X square is negative. Remember always in the root you have to make arrangement x square plus 3x minus 5. Now minus in the root x square plus 3x 3 by 2 9 by 4 minus 9 by 4 minus 5. So what is this simplification? Minus 9 by 4 minus 5 29. So your expression now simplify. 29 by 4 minus it will be x plus 3 by 2 the whole square, x by plus 3 by 2 a square plus sin inverse form. So your answer will be x by 2 into question. So x plus 3 by 2 by 2 into question is this expression will be same as that of this 5 minus 3x minus x square plus no yes 29 by 4 into half into sin inverse. What you will get? X plus 3 by 2 divided by root 29 by 2. So you just simplify this part and you will get the answer. If you see the questions in NCERT book, I think this much is there in your syllabus. Sometimes no, there may be possibility of framing a question where this is the approach. So how is the approach of this question? This linear and quadratic, if you remember, so I just explained that linear will be equal to a into q dash plus b. Do you know this one? So linear here it will be 3x plus 2. A over here it will be 2x and plus b. Simplify a will be equal to 3 by 2 plus and b will be equal to 2. So replace this in this expression. So expression can be written as 3x plus 2 can be written as a is 3 by 2 over here. What? 2x plus b value is 2 and into root under x square plus 5. Half the way I am solving this question, it will be 3 integration of over here it will be 3 by 2 as it is. This is the expression x square plus 5 dx plus 2 as it is integration of x square plus 5 dx. Now I am giving hint. This is a standard formula which we have learned recently. But how to answer this question? Take this part as t and differentiation will be this. It will be root t dt. What is the integration of root t? Yes, t raised to power 3 by 2. And use this formula here, put method. Here direct formula. So and complete. I am just leaving. I am waiting. You just complete at your end and then we will go further. This is one more situation. Two more situation. The logic is same. For you, I am just helping you out that only. A or linear we are using. A into linear differentiation 6x minus 5 plus b. Now 5x minus 4 here. It will be 6ax minus 5a plus b. Compare over here. A will be equal to 5 by 6. B minus b and b minus 5a will be equal to minus 4. B is over here minus 5. A is 5 by 6 minus 4. Now it will be 25 by 6. So b will be equal to 25 by 6 minus 4. It will be 1 by 6. Now this we are replacing in this expression, and then changing the question. So integration will be now. These values are with you. Just keep in mind 5x minus 4 I am replacing. It will be a means what? 5 by 6 into 6x minus 5 plus b means what? 1 by 6. This is nothing but your 5x minus 6. Now root that 3x square minus 5x plus 2. Now it will be 5 by 6. Opening the bracket, it will be 6x minus 5 into this term 3x square minus 5x plus 2 plus 1 by 6 over here, this bracket. What is this technique? Put this is equal to t, you will get this derivative, again root t. What about this? Step number 1. Here take 3 common, root 3 outside, then completing square method, and then apply the formula. Last question, basic integration. 2x minus 3 will be equal to a into minus 2x plus b. Same logic. It will be a will be equal to minus 1. Okay, and b will be equal to minus 3. So the given question, minus 1 into minus 2x plus minus 3 into root under 4 minus x square. Now this is minus 1 outside, minus 2x 4 minus x square dx, minus 3 outside, it is 4 minus x square dx. This is again put approach, and this is direct formula for sine inverse, direct formula. So this way all type of the basic integrations methods we have learned. So your task is to practice this section and complete the all assignment. Thank you.